Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Backup key documents now to an external drive or cloud so you can proceed safely. Once done, make a bootable Windows 10 USB with the Media Creation tool and verify the drive boots. Make sure you know your Microsoft account and Windows key. These help reactivation later. Insert the USB, restart, and enter the recovery environment from boot options so you can access advanced repair tools. From the recovery environment or an elevated command prompt, run System File Checker, sfc/scanno to repair corrupt files. Wait until it completes and note any failures. Next, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. This fixes deeper image issues that block reset. Once those finish, reboot into Windows recovery environment and try startup repair. If startup repair fails, use Reset This PC with Keep My Files, or remove everything depending on your backup plan and disk health. After initiating reset, follow on-screen choices and let Windows recreate system files. This can take time, so keep the PC plugged in. Once complete, reconnect to the internet, run Windows Update and reinstall any device drivers you need to restore functionality. If reset fails again, perform an in-place upgrade using the Windows 10 installer to repair the OS while preserving apps, or do a clean install from your USB.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.